Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm doing my fidget spinner collection, or my fidget toys collection actually. So yeah, I keep them in this box here, just a Nike box, and yeah, so the first one is a fidget cube. It's red and black, pretty cool, just yeah, really noisy, but yeah. Second one is this just really nice sort of toy thing. Then I got, from my fidget spinners, I'll do worst to best. So this is my worst one. Look how long it spins. Bad. Then I got my second worst one, which is this one. These keep coming off and stuff. Look how easy they come off. Oh wait, no. But what? They just like, it's really noisy. Then the next one is this white one. Actually no, that's quite good. Is this one? It's a custom one. It cost me £11. And this is now noisy. It's really light as well. Yeah. Next one is this one. It's quite cool. I actually got it yesterday. It's just a white one. And yeah. And then, well, these are kind of joining first place the best. Got this really nice whitish gold one. And I got this quite loud rainbow one. I think they're both the best. They're both like equal. So yeah, that is all my fidget toys. I have 6 fidget spinners, 1 fidget cube, and a fidget thing. So yeah, it like comes apart. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. And yeah, bye. Also, make sure to like, subscribe down below, and comment video ideas. Please comment video ideas, because no one ever does, so I don't know what videos to do. I just have to ask people to come up with them, but yeah. So yeah, bye.